Jai Sriman After seeing that smoke, Bharata is feeling so much unlimited happiness. That happiness is like maybe he is going to faint. Murcha Sadrusa Anandam. That amount of excitement is high level excitement. That kind of excitement Bharata is now going through, and he is walking towards that ashramam. He asked entire army, come on, stop over here. You should not be moving at all towards Ramashramam. You all have to stop here. Guhena sardham tvarito jagama. I am going to go to that ashramam along with Guha. He has taken Guha. He is walking very, very fast towards Ramashramam. He is asking all the Maharshis, oh Maharshis, you all please bring our mothers along with you all. You all come fast. Like that, he is asking, oh Shatrughna, look at that. There is Ramashramam. He is feeling so much excitement. Shatrughna is feeling so much excitement. All the mothers, all the Maharshis, entire army is feeling so much excitement. Now Bharata is noticing Ramashramam, which is situated in between, in the center of so many ashramam of all the rishis. Such wonderful Ramashramam Bharata is now getting to see. Now Bharata is seeing that there is Agnisala, Sri Ramachandra Swami's Agnisala. Now Bharata is getting to see there is a place where people who comes to visit Rama, there is a place where they all can sit and wait for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is now getting to see Bhratuhu Parnakutim, such a wonderful kutiram Bharata is now getting to see. Also Bharata is now getting to see Kashtani cha apabhagnani pushpani upachitani cha. For the light in the night, the Bharata is now seeing that there are so many wood sticks, so that Rama Lakshmana can burn that wood sticks, and with the light coming out from that burning flames, that is what is the light for them in the night. For that reason, they collected so many wood sticks. Bharata is now getting to see all the bundles of wood sticks. Bharata also now getting to see there are so many flowers which are collected for Sri Ramachandra Swami and Sitamma to do puja, everyday puja. Bharata is also now getting to see there are so many indications on so many trees. Even Rama and Lakshmana, whenever they get to go out of the ashramam to bring some food or to bring some water, there are some indications they made so that nobody would miss the place, nobody would lost the way, so that with those indications they can slowly come towards ashramam. And also that is the indication, that is the coordination between Rama and Lakshmana, that yes, Rama is gone for food, yes, Lakshmana is gone for food. Like that, for both of their mutual understanding, Rama Lakshmana put some indications to the trees with their own cloths and with some of the darbhas. Now Bharata is getting to see all those indications. Bharata is now slowly, with a fast pace, approaching towards Ramashramam. Bharata is now getting close to Rama Ashramam, approaching Rama Ashramam, and also noticing that there are so many wood sticks by which probably Sita, Rama, Lakshmana would put on fire and they get warm up. So because in very cold season they can get warm up with the flame which is put on by these firewoods. Like that, Bharata is now noticing several things in that Ramashramam. Bharata feeling so much happy along with Shatrughna, Sumantra and other ministers. He is saying that, oh my dear ministers, whatever the place whatever the location, Bharadvaja Maharshi explained us. We almost reached that location. I can see Ganga river there, and there are so many Naravastras dried upon in that Ramashramam. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Aryam Drakshyami Samhrushto Maharshimiva Raghavam. In this ashramam, my Ramachandra, who will be appearing to me as a Maharshi, I am going to have darshanam of my Ramachandra Swami. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Jagatyam Purushavyagra Aste Virasane Rataha. I am going to see my Ramachandra Swami. Probably Ramachandra Swami is sitting only on the earth. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.